What's up, YouTube? Another beautiful sunny day in the capital. Out for a Saturday drive. It's around 2 in the afternoon. I don't know where I'm going today. I'm just sort of taking where the wind takes me. But yeah, it should be interesting. Something noteworthy, thought I'd show you guys. It's the Prime Minister's house. 1 Sussex Drive in Ottawa, Ontario. It's quite big. It's huge. It's like a mansion. Not as big as the White House, obviously, or not even exactly sure where the president lives, but yeah, not quite as big as there. But yeah. Circle around, see if I can get a better look. I've showed this before, but this is the Falls of Ottawa. It's a nice destination to come do a boat tour, relax. So this gentleman here is using his Parrot drone. He's about to fly over the Ottawa River. That is spectacular. You don't need any specific licenses?
No, this is under the 5 kilo.
Yeah. And
for fun, no license needed.
Nice.
If I was being paid, yes, I would need license.
Oh, okay. Not sure if I still have it in frame, but I imagine I do. This thing goes high.
It could go to 500 meter.
Nice.
And try to do a beautiful picture.
Big ups to my old neighborhood, Hintonburg. Man, I love this place. So many memories. It's changed a lot, but at heart it's still the same. So I'd like to take a few minutes while I'm doing this bike journey to talk about long distance bike traveling. So a lot of people have different strategies about long distance bike traveling, and I have my own. And some of the obvious ones are, you know, pace yourself, bring plenty of water, stay hydrated. Another good one is to take breaks. It's not a big deal if you have to take a 10 minute break in between cycling. It's important when you get to your long distance destination to take another 10-15 minute break and not hurry home. You gotta let the muscles re-oxygenate, if that's a word, and rest up in general. I also find when traveling uphill to actually sit down and pedal. Some people prefer standing up and pedaling, give yourself some weight to your pedals, but I like the tactic of just sitting down, switching gears if you have to. That's an important one right there, is switching gears. Oh my gosh, so many people use bikes and don't switch gears. Your gears are there for a reason. Another good tip, if you can do it and feel confident about it, just sort of sit up, take a break, sit down, shoulders back, you know, But yeah, those are my tips. Hope they helped you out a bit. So another good important tip to note is have your bicycle regularly tuned up. I just had mine tuned up this year. Have your oil chained, your chained oil. Yeah, you know what I meant. Tires inflated. It's going to be a heck of a lot harder for you to travel if you have underinflated tires. Also, you risk having a flat. And that's no fun when you're halfway or all the way out at your destination. So, yeah. Some other side tips is to bring a cell phone in case of emergencies, or in case you just want to talk to somebody, get lonely. I usually bring somebody with me to talk, but today's a bit different. I'm biking by myself, which is okay. We're now in Westboro. It's a quiet area of Ottawa. Nice little butterfly there. But yeah, sunny skies. I'm heading back to the beach. Gotta, you know, sit back and enjoy the rays while they're still here. Summer is too short. So yeah, earlier today, before heading out, I was a bit sad. Just not really sad, maybe just feeling a bit down. And wasn't exactly sure why. Probably no particular reason at all, other than it was a beautiful day and I was sitting inside. So luckily I have some awesome family who convinced me to get out there and get on my bike. Because once I am actually outside enjoying the beautiful day, I feel grateful. I feel grateful to live in a beautiful city. I feel grateful to have an awesome family and friends. And yeah, having a good time today. Let me know in the comments if you're feeling a bit down. Finally made it to Westboro Beach. Beautiful day. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. Peace.